is set to wind up his public consultations before giving a way forward for the ODM party. While gracing the ODM at 20 celebrations in Busia County, Odinga maintained that he is back and ready to champion the rights of Kenyans, even as his allies vowed to rally behind the decision that he will take. Stevie Leto reports.
Busia County played host to ODM leaders and supporters who had converged here for the 20th birthday celebrations of the Orange Democratic Party. Mid songs and dance, way forward for the party was the issue in focus at the Bukiri Primary School grounds where the gathering was. National Chairperson Gladys Wanga and Secretary General Edwin Sifuna assured Orange supporters that Chungwa House is awaiting nationwide consultations conducted by its leader Raila Odinga whether the party will firmly have its oranges in the broad-based arrangement or go it alone.
Huyu baba wetu, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, tunamuombea na tunampenda. Na ukipenda baba, tunakupenda pia. Baba, sahi unafanya consultations katika nchi nzima. Fanya consultations na ukirudi utuambie ni left tutaenda wapi? Wanachama wa ODM, baba akisema left tutaenda wapi? Na akisema right tutaenda wapi?
Hawa ndugu zetu wanasema wanakuamini Baba Raila Amolo Odinga kwamba uamuzi ambao utachukua kwa ajili ya mustakabali wa chama hiki utakuwa ni uamuzi ambao utakuwa in the best interest of the Orange Democratic Movement and in the best interest of the people of Kenya.
In the Busia celebrations, ODM likened itself to a main river that cannot be won to join tributaries, responding to calls by opposition figures for ODM to join them in the push to unseat Dr. William Ruto from State House.
Wewe fanya hiyo consultation, direction ambayo utatupatia. Sisi unajua tunafuata maneno na spirit ya baba.
We are prepared for 2027 by any means. We are prepared either by ourselves ama through coalition kuhakikisha kwamba tumechukua uongozi wa nchi. ODM must capture power in this country and it is not done until it is done.
The party says it is ready to galvanize its support across the country and ensure it marshals enough numbers in the run-up to the 2027 polls.
Sisi kama watu wa chama, viongozi wa chama na wanachama, lazima sasa tuwe na mpango ya kuendesha chama yetu na kuhudumisha nchi yetu.
Odinga, who has been busy in marathon consultations, told his supporters in Busia that the step that he will take will be for the interest of all Kenyans.
Sisi si watu wa kufuata watu hovyo. Tunafuata watu na sababu. Chama cha ODM ni chama ambayo iko na sera kamili na msimamo.
After holding meetings in Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay and Migori counties, Odinga is back in Nairobi Friday night for another round of meetings scheduled to close by Wednesday.
Tutachukua msimamo ambayo italenga matakwa na haki ya Wakenya wote.
Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.